Are you tough enough? Are you strong enough? Huh? Well, no, you're not. Trust me. No, you're not. In order to be a professional boxer, you gotta have your own gloves. That's why I'm pretty cheap. I got my own gloves. You see, this is what I train with every day. This is what I do, okay? You gotta punch, okay? Alright? And then you gotta hook and jab. And then you're done for the day. Second day though, you gotta do one push-up, alright? One. Like this. You can't go like this, okay? Cause that, no. Okay? You gotta go like this. Okay? Yeah. Now, you see that towel over there? That towel is giving me a dirty eye. You see, I'm gonna go beat it up. What, girl? What? Are you staring at my girl? Put the camera, bro. Put the camera up. I'm about to beat this nigga up. Alright? Put the camera, dude. Put the camera. As you can see, it's now mine. I claimed it. You see? That's how to become a professional. But wait, there's more. If you get to my level, you're gonna look like this. I'll see you later. That.